Hello everyone. Today we will see the call, apply and bind method in JavaScript. This is one of the most commonly asked question in JavaScript interview. Okay, so we'll see this method using the examples. So I have created one object here and I have written one method inside it, the show result, and we are going to call it. Whenever we want to call this method, we directly call this way the show result, and we will get that result. Once we say here, and we will get the result, that name Ravi and the mark 50. But now let's suppose we have the another one object, the similar object, and we have that student1 and the similar property. Let's like ABC and mark 60. Okay, and now we want to show this from the student1 object. We have to show this name and marks. For that, what we usually do, we will have to create a similar method inside this as well, and we will call that. Means basically we will have to do this way, student1 dot show result, or we can give any name to it. It's not necessary to we have to give the show result, but usually we will do in this way. So we will get the result and we can get the result. But we have we can do it very simple way. For that we can use this call method, and I will show how exactly we can do that. Let's suppose first of all we have to delete this, and we have written this method inside that student object, and we have to call that method on this object, means the student1 object. And how we can do that? So first of all, this concept is called that borrowing method borrowing. Means we are just without writing that method again in the another object, we are just borrowing that method. So how we will do that? First of all, the method belongs to the student object, so we will write this the student, and the whatever method student, and whatever method we want to show result. And this method is we need to call that method. Okay, and the call is, and call on which object? We have to call this on student1 object. So we are going to call this on the student object. We are going to pass this as a parameter, and when we write this, we will get the result from 60. Means the method is belong to student object, and we are calling it on a student1 object. So this is the call method. Means we can create a method which we can use on the different objects. We don't need to write inside the particular object and repeat that on every object, and we will have to use that. Also we can do in a different way, like this method we can put outside this in this way. Like we have created this function here, the student show result, but now this does not belongs to this particular student. We have written this method outside this object, both the object, and we are just calling it on the whatever object we want to use. Means when we pass this only the student, this will gets called on that student, and it will show 50 and 50. So now there is one more thing. If suppose we want to pass this some parameter to it, and whenever we are accessing this the city here, this become the local variable. So we don't need to use this keyword. We will just simply write the city and the state. Okay, so state, this is one of the most important thing as well. This is become the local scope, and this it will refer this keyword will refer the current object on which this method is called. So whenever we have to call this method show result, what we will do, we will just simply pass the whatever parameter we need to send it. Let's suppose city we will write as in Pune, and suppose Maharashtra. Okay, so this is state. And when we, as we can see here, the whatever object we have passed to this method, that is referred using this keyword, and whatever parameter we are passing it whenever we are calling this method, we are just passing after this object, and it is getting transferred to it. This is the call method. So now what is apply method. So the apply method, the difference between the call and apply method is only one, means whatever we are passing here, like the similar kind of structure, we will just need to do apply, just to replace this method using the apply. And what we have to do, the whatever parameters we are passing to this method, we just need to pass them in array. This is the only difference between call and apply method. This is the both the methods serve the same purpose, means we can write a method which we can call on the different object, but the signature of how we call it is the difference. Only that is the difference between both the methods. So now third method, what is exactly bind method? So bind method. So one of the most important difference between the call and bind method is this: both the methods call and apply does not return any method. Means whenever we are writing this statement, it is just calling that method right away. It is not returning any instance of method or anything. It is just calling that method that time. But using the bind method, what we are doing, we are getting another method, means instance, and we can call that anytime what we need. Means it is creating the copy. If we have this method show result and we want to call it on particular object, this will bind that method to particular object. Means what we are doing here, we will simply, the signature will be the similar, the show result bind, and whenever we are passing it in the bind method, we don't need to pass in the array. Only in case of apply we have to pass in the array. So what we are doing here, the show result, this is the method, and we are binding it to the student object, and we are passing these parameters to it. And when we call this, when we are doing this, we need to get this result into some variable. Means suppose we have this show method, and whenever we are calling this, we will not get any result, because we need to call this method. So after calling this method, we will get the result. This is the show bind method. Means whenever we want to create the method which we have written inside some another object. Suppose we have written this method inside the student object, and we want to call it on a student one object. Okay, means we have written inside this, we cannot directly use on the student one object, but we want to use it. What we need to do, simply we need to do is, this method belongs to student object, then show is the show result, that method whatever we need to call, and the bind and parameter which we have to pass to it. Okay, and we are passing it student one, because we have to call on student one object, and parameters what we are going to pass it. It is sorry. And when we do this, it will return one the method, copy of the method, and we have to call. After calling this method, we will get the result. So this is the difference between call, apply and bind method. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will be posting the similar kind of videos on this channel. So stay tuned. Bye bye.